Are you looking to come home to quiet, relaxation, and tranquility? Then I have the home for you. Nestled among Southern Ontario's wine route is this beautiful one-floor living home at 94 Chelsea in Kingsville. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home has an open concept kitchen, living room, and dining area for all your entertaining needs. What a great place for family and friends. Located walking distance to a sandy beach and a short car ride away to downtown Kingsville, where you'll find exquisite dining, shopping, schools, parks, and everything that you've been craving in a small town community. And don't forget about the second living room with its water views from the window. It's perfect for a home office or a great place to sit down and read a book at the end of the day. This home has 2 good-sized bedrooms, with the master bedroom boasting a gorgeous water view when you wake up in the morning. This home has been completely renovated from top to bottom with high-end fixtures and finishes to give you that worry-free, move-in ready, turnkey home that you've been looking for. For more information or your personal showing, give me Ruth Ann Osborne a call, 226-782-4493.